Hi, it's me, David. Today I put on my air condition. We're gonna put it have no choice because of there's a reason for that. Anyway, so as you can see, there's my little piece of plywood there. But because now the air conditioner takes the height, um, have no choice but to fill up the hole, which is I put a blanket. Unless I have the blind cut, and then when I take up the air condition, I have a hole on the other side. So I guess this is the way it's going to be. So this is it. This is my air condition. Little early. I'm waiting for the sun. Here, I can show you the back. I'm going to keep showing you the back there. We're going outside. Here's the air condition. And that's it. I'll show you a bit of the park. There's a park in front of my house. Now we're going to go back in. And that's it. This is the air condition. Again, not normal things. Really off the wall. Okay. Take care. See you next time. Take it easy. Bye.